Oh, look.
Oh, look at the ladder, the chain ladder.
Hey guys, we're back out exploring. We've got Callum with us, and there's Ioan and Lois. So Callum's very kindly shown us this level. He's got land here, I work with him, and he's a good friend. We've got the ROV, which is on my back. There it is. Nice to be back out.
Just in case we find the wings, you never know.
Yes, it's been a long time, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Since we've done a video last, so let's get underground and see what's
the
there.
entrance behind us there, so we should be okay with these waders. We definitely not sure about you.
I have thigh waders on. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, no, let's do it.
Here we go. Very soft mud.
Yeah, isn't it? Lots of airborne inhabitants as well.
So what age is this mine, huh?
So this was driven in the 1840s in search of lead and zinc. Only lead was actually returned. However, it had a very high silver content, that lead. It had about 16 ounces of silver per tonne, which is quite high. So I guess you could call it a silver lead mine.
Very good, that is actually.
Yeah. We are on a vein. If you look up at the ceiling, there's a very, very, very slight kind of fracture running along here.
Whereabouts?
Yeah.
Actually there.
Yeah, it's up, there it is, just there. Nothing, nothing very impressive, but there's a small vein there that we're drifting. Quite a small level. You can see Al up there. It's quite low. We got a pretty well defined hanging wall here for the vein as well, for the load on one side. But right now they're just drifting it to see if it gets any better. This looks like we got a little air shaft up there. Yeah.
A lot of rubbish as well. Well, we just scrambled over a bit of a collapse. And now
Water's quite blue up there.
look at the rocks on the floor. It's like they never bothered carrying them out.
Yeah. You see the drainage trench on the right hand side, that's
Yes.
quite nice.
Yes, they've risen the floor.
Yeah.
Is it because it was flooded, do you think?
Probably, just to keep it draining. Look, there's a nice copper, there's a copper vein here. I did not know they found copper here. There's only a very small amount.
Yeah.
So there's a little quartz load going on here with a little prick of malachite there. You can see that green malachite. Copper sulfate.
Quartz, yeah. Oh, what's this in the roof there?
What you got there? Ah, that's a little clay joint. So yeah, just a little band of clay that you often find within the loads.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, and then the Goldie.
That's just hydrozincite then. Yeah,
Ah,
the little whites there, and then that's just quartz. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
little specks of it there. Nice shot hole there. More quartz on the side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely hand-driven, these drills. These are, well, in the 1840s they would be, yeah.
More water.
Oh yeah. Ah, there's the winds. I see a winds. Oh wow. Check this out. Wow. Wow. That's pretty. Yeah. And look at the old miner's climbing chain on the side. That's how they would have climbed up and down. We've got to rob this.
100%. There's his legs there. I'm going to set it up on that ledge.
Okie dokie. I'll paparazzi this. Yeah, it goes. We've got a nice scraper here for cleaning the dust out of the shot holes prior to blasting. There would have been a charger on this end, a long copper or iron spoon for feeding the gunpowder into the shot hole. And then there's also a gad here. But yeah, that's a nice old scraper there. We good?
Very good.
Is that recording now?
It is. Can you hold it up just off the floor like that?
There it is. Thank you.
Here we go.
Definitely recording, yeah? Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, down we go then. So it's more than a winch, it's actually an underhand stope, isn't it? It's following the load all the way down. That's really nice.
Look at that.
Wow. Yeah, so it's an underlie winch following that load.
Oh, look.
Oh, look at the ladder, the chain ladder. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow. Is it chain or is it a real ladder? Normal ladder? No, it's a normal one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, get a load of that.
Absolutely.
Whew.
31 feet there.
Wow.
Straight down, look.
Straight down. Oh, and it changes. Look, stop there a sec. Look at the solid, the changing. That's a bit of a hazardous place to change over, isn't it? Wow. That is cool. I don't fancy changing from ladder to ladder like that.
Oh, that'd be scary.
Whew.
They had no fear, these miners.
No. Wow. So the next level should be at 150 feet.
Okay.
So we're at 50 now. So we'll see how it goes.
That's a depth.
God, another one, look. This is incredible.
That little small platform.
Yeah, tiny platforms. They're not even giving them like proper spaces. Yeah, so proper winds now.
Do you reckon that, Callum? You did? What do you think?
Wow.
No,
is that the level?
Is that a collapse?
Oh.
It is.
Oh no! Oh, hang on, what's that in there? Is that the level?
I wouldn't fancy trying to get through that.
Is that one? That's the level, isn't it? But it's all full of rock.
Ah.
Huh.
That's a shame.
Yeah, that's a really cool shot. That's a cool winds though. Those ladders are awesome. But we're only at 90 feet, so maybe it's just a place halfway. I'll have to look at the mine plans.
Continue along there.
Yeah.
Can you pull in the slack? Oh, there you go.
I want to get another look at those ladders as we go.
There's one.
I love those. Really rickety old ladders.
They're amazing, isn't they?
Wow. And there's nowhere to change over. Like normally you at least get like a proper platform.
We
with
got
the
some
trapdoor.
sort of platform there. It's just timber, isn't it?
Yeah, one plank.
Don't think it's even that.
Whoa. It's like think of somewhere like, Bullclass or somewhere where we change from one to the other and there's a big old platform. This doesn't have anything like that.
Let's do it like this.
See it as we go then.
Yeah. Turn around, where is it? Go back a bit.
There it is. Yeah, let's go up next to it.
It's a dodgy changeover.
Yeah, change from one to the next. And up we go.
Yeah.
So those ladders, the mine was last worked in about 1885. So those ladders aren't going to be any later than 1885.
No.
So they're a good 140 years old.
Impressive. Nice to see, though.
Yeah, shame about that level at the bottom.
And there we are.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll go.
Look at the load. There's a white...
They've attempted to dig a bit of a
Yeah, they have, haven't they?
level there.
Yeah.
That's us.
Oh, there we are. So yeah, this is more like a stope here, isn't it? It turns into a wind.
Stack of rocks.
Yeah.
That's probably collapsed down there. I think.
It has, hasn't it? It's been or if this level, they might have drilled this level later and chucked everything down there. If they weren't using that level anymore, they've just backfilled everything down there, including this. That's probably what's happened. This level is later, and they just backfilled everything because they weren't using the bottom level anymore.
Hey Lewis, can take a picture of that. Callum, would you like to have a go on this?
Yeah.
I'll just get a...
Just in the, where I can see it. To start with.
How's that?
No. What's on the screen?
You get one there, look. Oh, Ioan's doing it.
You've got one as well.
Get that one there, look, that one. From a stand, Jacob.
Shall I stop the recording now?
Yeah. Up and down.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun. Unfortunately, the level was blocked.
But there were some cool ladders on the way down.
Those ladders are amazing.
Yeah.
And if we didn't
no
have...
solids at all to change over, just a little plank and that was it. Normally
Yes.
you've got like a proper solid, you know. You can tell how much this mine cared for the welfare of its workers.
That was proper. Oh, imagine doing that in the day, back in the day.
And when that wind went dry, that was a 100-foot drop straight down underneath you with no protection whatsoever.
Wow. Thanks to Five Fish, we wouldn't have seen that.
What it appears to me is that that was an emergency escape because the main shaft on the surface provided access and pumping machinery to that level.
Right.
So I reckon all that was like a secondary emergency exit route should the shaft become blocked. That's what it looks like to me. You know, it's another way out, isn't it?
Absolutely. Let's go to another level.
Let's do the other. We'll go upstairs. There's another one higher up.
That was good, wasn't it?
One down, one to go.
Yeah. So the next one has a big quarry or something in it.
It does
doesn't
indeed, yeah. So we've seen the winds now. We're going to go and have a look at something a bit different now.
Callum's leading
Still
the
a
way.
metal mine, but it's also a bit of a hybrid stone quarry metal mine, isn't it?
Right. Let's go and check it out. Have you found it?
It looks rather additive.
Oh yeah.
It looks a bit drier.
Yes. There it is. Look at that. Let's get in there.
Okay.
Wait for Lois.
It's a double adit as well, right?
Oh yes. Oh. Exciting.
Got a split personality.
Yeah. It's nice to be back underground.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Oh, it's been such a long time. Yeah.
Been so busy with work and everything lately, haven't we?
Yes. Here it is.
Okay.
Oh, it's flooded again.
Yeah.
Is it deep?
Do you want
Yes,
someone
please.
with longer waders to go
Yes,
through?
please.
Mudding.
Oh, that's it
Oh,
there.
that's just a trial there, isn't
Yeah.
it? Do you want to go in first or shall I
Who
go?
has deep, big waders?
I've got chesties.
Do you want to take that with you, just in case I can't get in?
Oh, there's another
Another
air shaft. Hey.
Oh,
Knee deep in the sludge. No, it's not too bad. About the same as the other one. Oh no, it's a bit deeper than the other one.
I won't be coming in, doesn't look so. Only got 5 waders.
Yeah, I mean, what do you reckon?
Oh well, enjoy it.
piggyback here. No.
What do you reckon, Al? They're up to my thighs.
No, I'll leave it.
You sure?
Yeah, I don't want to get so.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Everyone else coming?
Yeah, you can go.
Yeah.
A much bigger level than before. This is a lot later. This is 1860s or 70s here, and you can tell just by how much larger it is. Larger shot holes. by this time, gunpowder was cheaper and more readily available in the area. The railways had opened, so it was easier to get your hands on the stuff. So the levels were subsequently made quite a bit larger because they could. And here is the stone quarry. So this was opened for building stone for the mine's dressing floors or mill area on the surface. And they seem to have left quite a bit of the stuff in here, the not so good stuff. And they've taken some fairly decent block material from here. You can see it's quite well well bedded and well cleaved there. Decent stuff for building locally. Let's see if it goes on. It looks like something might up on top there. Does it go? Oh, there we are. Cool. We'll go on then. Oh yeah. So even though the level was driven along a load, a mineral load, they've just utilised that little bit of good, decent quality building stone halfway along. So this is the original level carrying on now. The quarry's quite a bit later. Water's been up pretty high, isn't it? Really well defined hanging wall there as well. Smooth wall on the left hand side there, the load. The load itself doesn't look very impressive there. And that's it. Yeah, they've abandoned it there. So the load appeared better at the deeper level, better than it did up here anyway. Yeah, that's that. Anything visible?
Plenty of shot holes.
Yeah, there are, aren't there? You see the last round. Yeah. And then the load sort of splits a little bit. There's parts of it here, and then the main part of it's here. Yeah. But no, it doesn't look really impressive, does it? It's just mainly a little clay joint, actually, not much more else. Okay, let's work on those shot holes. Yeah, much larger shot holes than in the last one. Yeah. Back out then.
That was fun.
There we go.
Yes.
Two interesting little levels there
Yeah,
tonight.
shame I couldn't get in that one, but there we are. The RV was fun. Nice to see them ladders.
Yeah, you got the best level. The ladder one was the best one.
Yeah,
That
I
was
think
cool.
so, yeah.
Yep.
Do you enjoy yourself, Callum?
Yeah, no, it's been great.
Coming
fun.
again?
Yep.
Next one, we're going to have dry suits on.
Yes, there's going to be a wet one.
So,
well, hopefully a dry one, but in wet circumstances.
Yes. And
So-
thank you very much for checking this out. And thanks for all the new subscribers and all the best to you.
See you next time. Ciao for now.
Cheers.